Amidst the stillness of early spring, the Eerde estate awakens. Its ivy-covered walls and the gentle ripple of the moat whisper stories of its past. Once vast and powerful, its 1,400 acres have been humbled to 540, a testament to the fleeting nature of human glory. The stone bridge arches gracefully over waters that have witnessed centuries of change, while the baroque symmetry of the avenues hints at a world where order was the pursuit of men who believed they could control their destiny. Yet this castle, built in 1715 by Johan Werner Baron van Pallandt, is a reminder that all such pursuits are temporary. The hanging staircase, unique in this land, and the tapestries depicting mythological tales speak of a time when people sought meaning in the glory and stories of old. And as I walk through this landscape, I'm drawn to the paradox of its beauty and its temporality. The book of Daniel reminds us that the kingdoms of this earth rise and fall like beasts, each devouring and conquering, yet none lasting forever. The lion, the bear, the leopard, and the dreadful beast of Daniel's vision. Each reflects humanity's attempt to establish power apart from the Creator. And here, in this place once ruled by knights and barons, I see the shadows of those beasts in our world today. The tranquil landscape of Eerder Achterbroek seems untouched by time. The farms with their yellow and black shutters tell of a simple, enduring life. Yet, even here, the prophecy of Daniel resounds. The fourth beast, with his blasphemous mouth, wages war, not with weapons of steel, but with words of deception. In a world consumed by chaos, where truth is traded for propaganda, how do we stand firm? Jesus foretold these times when nations would rise against nations and the love of many would grow cold. Yet he also gave us a sword, not of war, but of truth. It is written, he declared in the wilderness, wielding the word of God against the enemy's lies. It is written. And so, as I pass through the fields and meadows, their gentle beauty contrasts starkly with the spiritual battle waging in unseen realms. The restoration efforts here remind me of God's redemptive plan. Just as the Rigor River now meanders as it once did, so too will the Creator restore all things to their intended glory. But before that day comes, there is a scattering, a breaking of the power of those who falsely claim His name. The prophetic words echo, "It shall be for a time, times, and half a time." The power of the holy people must be shattered, not by the beast, but by the hand of God, so that only what is true remains. This breaking is not destruction, but refinement, preparing us for the ultimate fulfillment of His promises. As I walk through this sacred space, where history and nature intertwine, I'm reminded of the faithfulness of the Creator. The golden orioles sing their song, the roe deer dart through the woods, and the earth whispers, "Be still and know that I am God." In the midst of turmoil, His word remains our anchor. The castle stands as a monument to human ambition, yet it is the surrounding landscape, the fields, the rivers, the wildlife, that declares His eternal glory. And as we face a world that seems to echo the chaos of Daniel's vision, may we, like Jesus, wield the sword of truth, standing firm in the knowledge that His kingdom is unshakable. For though the beasts rage, their time is short, and one day the King of Kings will ride forth, His word cutting through every lie, bringing justice and peace to a weary world. Until that day, we walk through the beauty of His creation, holding fast to His promises and waiting with hope.